ये देखिए डीमल्टीप्लेक्सर। आगे डिफिनेशन लिख दे रहे हैं, ठीक है। व्हाट इज डीमल्टीप्लेक्सर, ठीक है। कहते हैं what is demultiplexer and why it is called data distributed device. Okay, clear? What is demultiplexer? What is demultiplexer? What is demultiplexer? ये क्वेश्चन है, why it is called data distributed device. Data distributed device. Why it is called data distributed device? What is demultiplexer? Why it is called data distributed device? Okay. Actually, demultiplexer is a combinational logic circuit. Demultiplexer is a combination logic circuit. Okay. Okay. It is also called DEMUX. DEMUX. Okay. It is also called DEMUX. Clear? Why it is called? Actually, here in demultiplexer, there is one input. There is one input and 2 to the power n number of outputs. Clear? In demultiplexer, there is one input and 2 to the power n number of outputs. Clear? Okay. The control input, R R R N. The control inputs are N. Clear? Okay? आर एन इसलिए लिखा है कि एक्चुअली जब यदि 1:4 मल्टीप्लेक्सर होगा तो उसमें क्या हो जाएगा 2 to the power 2 से दो कंट्रोल इनपुट होगा S0 और S1. क्लियर? हो गया? Actually, here the control line select the control line the control line the control line selects the control line select one output out of many outputs out of the control line select one output out of many outputs. Clear? Outputs out of many outputs and input is connected with connected with any one particular output. Clear? That is the reason the multiplexer PLE XCR is called data distributed device. क्लियर? यही कारण है कि इसको हम लोग डेटा डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड डिवाइस बोलते हैं. ठीक है? क्लियर? हो गया? तो ये हो गया डीमल्टीप्लेक्सर का डेफिनेशन. व्हाट इज डीमल्टीप्लेक्सर? Why demultiplexer is called data distributed device. क्लियर? हो गया ना? एक चीज थोड़ा समझ लीजिएगा. एक्चुअली सपोज करिए कि 1x4 मल्टीप्लेक्सर है. ठीक है? इन 1x4 डीमल्टीप्लेक्सर है. Multiplexer in 1x4 demultiplexer in 1x4 demultiplexer the number of input number of input is 1. क्लियर? 1 या ऐसे लिखिए या ऐसे. क्लियर? ठीक है. एंड the number of input the number of input is 1. Okay. और the number of output is is 2 to the power n. फॉर्मूला है, यानी कि कितना हो गया यहाँ पे 2 to the power 2, क्योंकि कंट्रोल लाइन ही होगा. ठीक है, यानी 4. ठीक है. क्लियर? और एन जो है कंट्रोल लाइन है. एन क्या हो गया? एन हो गया, एन इज कंट्रोल लाइन. कंट्रोल इनपुट बोले, इनपुट्स बोले और लाइंस बोले. कंट्रोल इनपुट्स बोले और लाइंस बोले. ये कितना हो जाएगा? n is equal to 2. Clear? That's all of demultiplexer, I think so far. That is the, yeah, that is fine. Okay. It is actually it is the reverse of the multiplexer, combination logic circuit. It is also called DMUX. Okay. इसके बाद ये एक पॉइंट और लिख लीजिए यहाँ पर. इसके बाद इट इज द demultiplexer is a combination logic circuit. It is इसके बाद it is the reverse of multiplexer. Multiply at ER. It is the reverse of multiplexer. It is also called DMUX. ठीक है. डीमल्टीप्लेक्सर जो है मल्टीप्लेक्सर का रिवर्स है. तो डीमल्टीप्लेक्सर क्या है? डीमल्टीप्लेक्सर इज ए कॉम्बिनेशन लॉजिक सर्किट. It is the reverse of multiplexer. It is the reverse of multiplexer. It is also called DMUX. Okay. In the multiplexer there is one input. एक इनपुट होता है, and 2 to the power n. There is one input, एक ही इनपुट होगा, and 2 to the power n number of output. 2 to the power n number of output. The control input are one. The control line or control input, the control line selects one output out of many output. बहुत सारा आउटपुट में एक आउटपुट को सेलेक्ट करता है. ठीक है, सेलेक्ट करता है out of many outputs, and input is connected with, और जो इनपुट है, इनपुट इज कनेक्टेड विथ एनी वन पर्टिकुलर आउटपुट. और जो इनपुट है वो कनेक्टेड होगा कोई एक पर्टिकुलर आउटपुट. एंड इनपुट इज कनेक्टेड विथ एनी वन पर्टिकुलर आउटपुट. दैट इज द रीजन डीमल्टीप्लेक्सर इज कॉल्ड डेटा डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड डिवाइस. यही एक कारण है कि डीमल्टीप्लेक्सर को डेटा डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड डिवाइस बोलते हैं. इन 1+4 डीमल्टीप्लेक्सर, 1+4 डीमल्टीप्लेक्सर में द नंबर ऑफ इनपुट इज 1 और 1. द नंबर ऑफ आउटपुट इज द नंबर ऑफ आउटपुट्स, एक से ज्यादा है, द नंबर ऑफ आउटपुट्स आर होगा यहाँ पे, क्योंकि प्लूरल हो जा रहा है, ठीक है। आर 2 to the power n, that is equal to 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. N is control inputs or lines, that is equal to n is equal to 2. That's all of demultiplexer. Now I am erasing it, rubbing it, okay? Fine. You just see, okay? Now you see here the truth table, block diagram, truth table, and logic diagram. Okay. I will try my level best to make block diagram, truth table, and logic circuit diagram in a single board. That will be much better understandable to you. Okay. I am writing in the middle of the board demultiplexer. D. In one place I am writing plexer. I will demultiply. I will not write again and again on the board. You just see it. Okay. First of all, I will draw the block diagram. Okay. First of all, I will draw the block diagram. Block diagram. Okay. You just see. Okay. Block diagram. This is a block. Rectangular block, and this is single input is here. You just see here. This is a single input. If I will draw from the exactly from the middle, then that will be better visible. Okay, and you just see here. Here the output is here. O0, here O1, and here O2, and here O3. This is O0, this is O1, this is O2, this is O3. Okay? And this is the input. This is I. Yes? This is the single input. Okay? And this is the S0 and S1. Okay? And this is S1. And this is called actually control. This is called control inputs, or we can write it line. Okay, you just see here. Okay, this is the input, single input, and this is outputs. Okay, and this is 1 cross 4, sorry, 1 cross 4 demultiplexer. D 1, sorry, demultiplexer. this is 1 cross 4 DEMULTIPLE demultiplexer. Or we can say, and shortly we can say, this is demux also. Either we can say demux, DEMUX, or we can say, or we can say demultiplexer, DEMULTIPLEXER. So this becomes the block diagram. This becomes the block diagram of demultiplexer. Okay. Now you see, actually it is required here the truth table. Truth table. As I told you in the single board, I will explain here. Truth table. In truth table, you see, actually here control line, control input, control inputs, or we can say line also, line, okay, and input channel, or here I will write input is connected with your file, input channel, input is connected with, input is connected, input is connected with. Clear? Just see here. So first of all, I will write what here? Input channel. Input channel is here. Control inputs align. Control inputs align will be what here? That is your S0 and S1. Clear? And this is O0, O1, O2 and O3. Clear? Fine. And we can write here input is connected with. Here I can write I here. Clear? And that will be here O0, O1, O2 and this is O3. Clear? Input is here I. Okay. You just see single 0, single 1, single 0 and single 1. Clear? Here double 0, clear, and double 1. You just see. And this line is actually enable. Actually O0 is enable, sorry. O0 input channel, O0 is enable, and here all are, we can say another, or we can say disable also. Okay, is that clear? Now you see O1 is enable, O1 is enable, and this is not able, that means unable. Clear? This is out. Okay, this is 0. Now you see here, this O2 is okay. Now these are disable. Clear? And now you see here, this is enabled, and these are all the unable. Disable you can see. So you just see here. If I will draw this properly, sorry, I think, right. O0 रहेगा इसमें, ये 1 रहेगा, सॉरी वो 1 रहेगा, O1 रहेगा, और ये O2 रहेगा, और ये O3 रहेगा, ठीक है। इसके बाद सब 0। ये जो है मेरा, ये एक्चुअली ये डायगोनल एलिमेंट जो है, ये मेरा, ये हमारा 1 होना, ये 1 जो है एक्चुअली इनेबल है, और सब जो है अनेबल है और डिसेबल है, ठीक है। यहाँ पे O1 जो है इनेबल है, और सब जो है, मैंने ये काम एक्चुअली ये है, 1 जो है इनेबल है, और ये सब जो है डिसेबल है, अनेबल है, ठीक है। इसी तरह से ये 1 यहाँ पे O2 है इनेबल, और ये 0 है, ठीक है। इस तरह से O3 जो है, O3 मेरा इनेबल है, और सब जो है अनेबल, ठीक है। तो इसको हम लोग इस तरीके से, हम लोग यदि चाहे तो इसको हम लोग ऐसे ही वर्टिकली कर देंगे तो ज़्यादा बेटर रहेगा, ये ज़्यादा अंडरस्टैंडेबल रहेगा, क्लियर रहेगा, ठीक है। कंफ्यूजन कम हो, ठीक है, ठीक है ना। तो ये देखिए, अब जो है लॉजिक सर्किट डायग्राम, ये ट्रूथ टेबल हो गया, ठीक है। इट बिकम्स द ट्रूथ टेबल। नाउ यू जस्ट सी द लॉजिक डायग्राम, लॉजिक डायग्राम। As I told you, I will do this all three in a single board. Okay. You just see. Okay. First of all, what I will do here, I will make here. Actually, here I will make. Actually. And 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Okay. I make 4 and get an equidistance. Okay. And you just see here, and this is here. Yeah, fine. This is I0 here, either here. This is I0. No, I0. Actually, this is S0. This is also S0. Here. And it is connected with the NOT gate. It is connected with this is S0 NOT. Clear? And this is actually S1. This is actually S1. Okay. This is S1. And when I will connect it with the NOT gate, This become S1 naught. Fine. This become S1 naught. Okay. And here fine. So what I have to do here? Double zero. In double zero, actually S1 naught or S0 naught I have to do it. Okay. S1 naught and S0 naught. I am writing here output because it will remind S1 naught or S0 naught. Yeah. That means S1 naught is here. S1 naught is here this. Yeah. And S0 naught is, S1 naught is this, and S0 naught is this. Clear? S0 naught is this. Okay? And I1 will be here. I1 will be here, just see. I1 will be here from outside. That is I here. Okay. And you just see, I will actually here. Okay. And you just see S1 naught, S0 naught. No, S1 naught, S0. S1 naught, S0. S1 naught, S0. Here S1 naught, S0. Okay. S1 naught, S0. S1 naught, S0. So that will be here. S1 naught, that means, and S1 naught becomes, and S0. This is S1 naught, and now I will do, you just see here, S1 naught, S0. This is the S0, you just see, this is the S0. Okay? And you just see here, I1. So not I, single I. Actually, only I. This input that is represented as I, okay, will enter from outside to the AND gate directly. Fine. And you know I will be here. This is I, this is I, and that is called O0. Okay? And that is called O1. Okay? That is called O1. Okay? This is S1 naught, S1 naught, S0, I. Fine. I am writing it properly because O1 that is equal to this. Okay? Fine. Okay? You just see S1, S0 naught. S1, S0 naught. That is S1, S0 naught. S1, S0 naught. S1, S0 naught. S1, S0 naught or I. Clear? That is the output actually. So accordingly I will draw the line here. Okay? Accordingly I will draw the line. So this is the way to minimize the mistakes while you will go to draw the logic circuit diagram. Okay? So S1 is here. S1 is here this. Clear? And S0 naught is here. You just see here. S0 naught is here. S0 naught is here this. And I is enter from the outside. I will enter from the, that means input will enter from the outside. Same input. Okay? And that is the output here. Is the output here? Sorry. S01 O2, that is equal to O2. Clear? That is S1, 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 S0 not, S1, S1, sorry, S1, oh, right. Actually S0, S1, fine. S0, S1. This becomes S0, S1. And I have written here S0, S1. In this sequence it is used to write S0, S1, and this is S0, S1. S0, S1, S0, S1, and this is S0, S1. Fine, very good. Okay. You just see here. Now you see in this here. Actually, I will increase this line up to this. So here, what I will get? S1, S0. What I will get? S1, S0. So I am getting here S1, S0, S1, S0, S1, S0, and that is here I. Okay. And this is O3. Clear? This is O3. Very good. तो ये क्या हुआ? S1 कितना हुआ मेरा? S1, S0. S1 हो गया ये. और देखिए S0 क्या हो गया? S0 हो गया ये. S0 हो गया ये. S0 एक्चुअली ये यहाँ ऊपर से देखिए ये S0 है. S0 क्लियर? S0 हुआ. और आई जो है जो इंक्रीज किया यहाँ पे, ये आई जो है इनपुट हो जाएगा यहाँ. Little bit I have to actually increase this. Clear? And this will be your output. Okay? So this is the output here. This is the output. This is out, P, U, actually U, T, S. Clear? And this is here input. This is here I and okay P, U, T, input. So that's all of this session. I think I have done so far. Okay, fine.